In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a check in QuickBooks Online 2026. Step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly which fields to use, what each one means, and how to record a check cleanly so your books stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your main workspace. On the left-hand panel, look for the Create option. This is your hub for new transactions. Click Create, and from the list that appears, choose Check or Check, depending on your region. That opens the check form where we'll fill in the details. At the top, begin with the payee. This is who you're paying, often a vendor, but it can also be a customer if you're issuing a refund or reimbursement. If the payee already exists in your list, select them. If not, add a new payee so future payments are quicker and their information is saved to your records. Next, set the bank account. Choose the specific bank or cash account the money will come from. This is important for reconciliation later, so make sure it matches the real-world account you used to write or fund the check. If you see a mailing address field, review it and enter one if it's blank. This helps keep your vendor records complete and ensures the payee's information is correct on the transaction. Many times, QuickBooks will pull this in automatically from the payee profile. Now choose the payment date. Use the actual date the check is written or issued. This affects your financial period reporting and your bank balance on that date, so accuracy here matters. For check number, enter the number printed on your handwritten check if you've already written one. If you're not using pre-printed checks and are only recording the expense, you can still type a reference number that makes sense for your internal tracking. Move down to category. This is the expense or account that best describes what you're paying for. Things like office supplies, utilities, or a specific cost of goods sold account. If the payment covers more than one purpose, you can add another line and split the expense across multiple categories. In the description box, add a clear note about what this payment is for. Useful descriptions make reports and audits much easier down the road. Enter the amount you're paying. Double-check the figure and confirm that the totals match what you expect to leave your bank account. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks records the check, updates your bank register for that account, and reflects the expense in the category you chose. That's it. You've created a check in QuickBooks Online, accurately and confidently.